Dear students of 12th standard, very pleasant morning. Once again, welcome back to the zoology class. We are discussing chapter number 2, human reproduction. Today we are going to learn the process of fertilization and implantation in detail. What is fertilization? Fertilization is a process in which a haploid sperm fuses with a haploid ovum to form a fertilized egg. The fertilized egg is known as zygote, which is diploid in nature. During the process of fertilization, the sperms deposited in the female reproductive tract undergoes a process called capacitation. Capacitation is a biochemical event that enables the sperm to penetrate and fertilize the egg. Fertilization occurs only if the ovum and sperms are transported simultaneously to the ambulatory isthmic junction of the fallopian tube. Before a sperm can enter the egg, it must penetrate the multiple layers of granulosa cells which are around the ovum, forming the corona radiata. The follicular cells are held together by an adhesive cementing substance called hyaluronic acid. The acrosomal membrane disintegrates, releasing the proteolytic enzyme hyaluronidase during sperm entry through the corona radiata and zona pellucida. This is called acrosomal reaction. Once fertilization is accomplished, the cortical granules from the cytoplasm of the ovum form a barrier called the fertilization membrane. The fertilization membrane around the ovum prevents further penetration of other sperms. Thus, polyspermy is prevented. Polyspermy means fertilization of an egg by many sperms. So, fertilization membrane prevents polyspermy. The first cleavage produces two identical cells called blastomeres. These produce 4 cells, then 8, and so on. After 72 hours of fertilization, a loose collection of cells forms a berry-shaped cluster of 16 or more cells called the morula. Under the influence of progesterone, smooth muscles of the fallopian tube relax and the dividing embryo takes 4 to 5 days to move through the fallopian tube into the uterine cavity and finally gets implanted into the uterine wall. At this point, the embryo consists of a fluid-filled hollow ball of about 100 cells called the blastocyst. The blastocyst is composed of a single layer of large flattened cells called trophoblast and a small cluster of 20 to 30 rounded cells called the inner cell mass. This is the inner cell mass and this is the trophoblast. This is the trophoblast. This is the inner mass of cells. The inner cell mass of the blastocyst develops into the embryo and becomes embedded in the endometrium of the uterus. This process is called implantation and it results in pregnancy. If the fertilized ovum is implanted outside the uterus, it results in Ectopic pregnancy. About 95% of ectopic pregnancies occur in the fallopian tube. The growth of the embryo may cause internal bleeding, infection, and in some cases, even death due to rupture of the fallopian tube. Till now, we discussed how fertilization and implantation takes place during the reproduction in human. Thank you. Have a nice day.